All right, guys, so I decided since this was my first time doing this blueberry tart that I should probably taste test it live for you guys on a video so we can find out together if it's any good. So let's dive right in. Looks pretty, very colorful indeed. Very good. I can actually taste the coconut a little bit too. The topping, oh, the topping makes it. Very good breakfast this morning. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this blueberry tart. I had a lot of fun making it. It was very exciting being the first time I've made it. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Thanks again. Bye.